I heard you were going to draw a circle scenery here. It's the drawing of the mountains and the sun. Let's draw the mountains first. We begin the drawing from here. This is the border line of a mountain. Then another mountain will be like here. We see other mountain here. And the big mountain is like this. Let's divide the part. In the middle, there are some cracks and the shades of the mountains because of the sun here. So we know the one side is brighter and the other side will be darker. We can put few grasses like this here. All right, and few birds going to fly in the sky. This is as simple as it is. Let's put the shades and make the drawing a realistic one. We're going to put the shades like this. The variation in darkness and the brightness makes the drawing alive. All right. So half of the mountain is bright and half of the mountain is dark. These are the trees. All right. The detailing is amazing. Each of trees are the winter trees. We need a little detailed drawing of these trees. These three lines is going to make the scenery beautiful one. So lots of trees at the bottom of the drawing. These are the trees found in mountains areas. It looks like little bit like the Christmas trees. All right. We put little emphasis on the sun, makes the border darker. We can put some shades around it. All right. Let's make the trees part little greens at the bottom. and the sun, like the orange color. Let's make the sky orange. And this part little darker. All right, so you can see the mountain tops from the shades of the sun and the clouds. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.